Hi there friends, Salam Doston, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 23. And we'll start with the word business, тиҷорат, тиҷорат. And also people use business as well. Both of them are quite common. So, Толиб is saving up his money to start a business. Толиб пулашро барои оғози тиҷорат сарфа мекунад. Толиб пулашро барои оғози тиҷорат сарфа мекунад. And Толиб is a male name, and don't be surprised if you hear sarf without I at the end as the opposite word, like not to save, but to spend. People use it like pul sarf kardan, to spend money, or vaqt sarf kardan, to spend time, and sometimes also like to waste time or to waste money. Company, shirkat. He started his company with very little money. ӯ ширкати худро бо пули хеле кам оғоз кард. Office, idora. And also people use office, this word, office. You can use both of them, office or idora. So, I'll be in the office on Monday. Ман рӯзи душанбе дар идора мешавам. Рӯзи душанбе дар идора мешавам. And also, there's another option. Ман рӯзи душанбе дар идора хоҳам буд. This is too formal. хоҳам буд. It's not that common. People usually say мешавам. Job. Kor. Very simple, but r at the end you should practice if you can't say that. So r, okay, kor. So, what kind of job are you looking for? Шумо чӣ хел кор меҷоед? Coworker, ҳамкор. And ham here is like mate, I mean like classmate in English, or roommate. So ham is the same and kor is work. So you work together. So my coworker taught me a lot about painting. ҳамкорам ба ман дар бораи расмкашӣ бисёр чизҳоро омӯзонд. One more time. ҳамкорам ба ман дар бораи расмкашӣ бисёр чизҳоро омӯзонд. Boss, сардор or роҳбар. Сардор or роҳбар. And you might also hear people saying boss, just like in English. So, he is loyal to his boss. Вай ба сардори худ содиқ аст. Meeting, вохӯрӣ or маҷлис. вохӯрӣ or маҷлис. And people also say вохӯрӣ, not ö, but вохӯрӣ instead of ö. So, I have a very important meeting today. Ман имрӯз як вохӯрии хеле муҳим дорам. Contract, шартнома. So, the sentence. Тоҳир signed the contract. Тоҳир шартномаро имзо кард. And Tohir is another male name. Salary, maosh or muzdi mehnat. Maosh or muzdi mehnat. And maosh is more common. So, Umar asked for a higher salary. Umar maoshi balantaro talab kard. Busy, band, serkor. Band or serkor. So, I'll be very busy next month. Моҳи оянда ман хеле банд мешавам. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video. Khair.